Hi guys, welcome to the first video on the PHP chapter and the MySQL chapter. In this first video I'm going to give you a little introduction to PHP and MySQL. So if you want, as in the other chapters, you can go to Wikipedia and visit the PHP page and read all this if you want to, or the first paragraphs. PHP for me is nowadays one of the most powerful programming languages on the web. Simple as that. Okay, so if you want to learn PHP, or if you learn PHP, you'll be able to create whatever you want as application on the web or as a website on the web with login systems, register, databases. Basically, PHP, you can say, is the best programming language to connect to the MySQL database. That's why usually we talk PHP. When we talk about PHP, we always talk about MySQL because they are connected with each other. They connect very well. PHP is a programming language, MySQL is a database, and that's why this chapter is dedicated to both of them. Okay, we will learn how to connect to the MySQL database using PHP and how to store things on the database, how to retrieve information from the database. PHP does all that. So it's a very, very powerful programming language and a very powerful part of web development nowadays. Now, I'm just going to show you a little presentation that I have here. PHP chapter, we will handle forms. We will learn how to make logins, how to make register forms, how to upload files like you upload pictures to Facebook, let's say, how to do all that, how we work with sessions, cookies, how to work with the MySQL database, and how to work with object-oriented programming. Now I'm going to show you a little example how PHP works. Now let's say I have my browser and I'm completing a form and I send the form to the website. The website is basically a bunch of files that are stored in a server. So the information that I have on the form will be sent to the server. The query.php that I have here is a file that will have code, PHP code, to handle and store that information on a MySQL database. Okay, so you will see that whenever we create code or PHP code in a file, as we do with CSS or HTML, we have to create a .php file. Okay, so let's say query.php file handles all the data from the form and is stored on the MySQL database. Okay, and you can say that if you want to retrieve in the browser, let's say I want to see the database, the data that I have sent, or confirm that I have sent that data, and let's me see if it is stored on the MySQL database of the server. So the query also retrieves information from the MySQL server and shows it to me on the browser. Okay, so basically it works with requests, either to show it on the browser or to send information from the browser to store in the MySQL database. Okay, so it works both ways, and I'm going to show you all that during this chapter. Don't worry. And basically this is it. After this chapter, you will get you'll be very, very powerful regarding web development, because as I told you before, with PHP you basically can do anything. Okay guys, so see you guys on the next video. If you have any questions, send me a message or post your questions on the comment section. Okay, see you.